Nonverbal Communication by Selena Brinson. Today I'm going to discuss nonverbal communication and how it affects us in the workplace. What is nonverbal communication? Nonverbal communication is communication that includes posture, tone, facial expressions, gestures, and eye contact. Nonverbal communication can lead to misunderstandings. Body language is the use of physical behavior, expressions, and mannerisms to communicate nonverbally, often done instinctively rather than consciously. The way we stand and our facial expressions can contradict the words we are saying. If you'll look in the top right corner of the slide, this diagram indicates what percentages of our communication is words, tonality, and physiology. Only 7% of our communication skills are words, while 38% is voice tone, modulation, and pauses, and 55% is body movements, face, and arms. Anthropologist Ray Birdwhistle's study of kinesics found that 65% of communication is nonverbal. It is what you don't say that counts. In the workplace, how we stand matters. Standing with your arms crossed can be considered hostile or defensive. Our tone of voice can indicate impatience or boredom. Well-modulated voices speak clearly, not too fast and not too slow. You do not want people to think you are angry or trying to hide something. Smiling and making good eye contact is essential. A downward gaze or avoiding eye contact can detract you from being seen as confident. If a customer, coworker, or supervisor misunderstands your nonverbal cues, they might think you are lying, indifferent, bored, or angry. When dealing with the public in a customer service capacity, it is critical that your body language is professional, relaxed, and confident. What can I do to improve my nonverbal skills? Awareness is key. Be aware that you could be being observed by customers even when not in a conversation. You always want to look approachable. While smiling does not come naturally to everyone, you can practice. Practice by smiling in the mirror. Just remember, you want your smile to look as natural as possible. Always be mindful of personal space. There are several resources available online, including training programs like the one from St. Louis Community College. The extensive guide includes icebreaker activities, participant self-evaluations, and learning styles inventory. In conclusion, our body language says a lot about us. We want to make sure it is not saying something we never intended. By smiling and making good eye contact, we can make a good impression on our bosses, co-workers, and customers. It is not always easy to smile all the time, so it is important to practice. You should also practice standing straight with good posture. Also make sure to limit hand gestures when talking. The key to success is good nonverbal communication skills. Thank you.